Attention everyone, are you aware that many of you have protein levels that are less than optimal? It's quite concerning. Protein is essential for your body's functions. It repairs your muscles after exercise, keeps you feeling full and satisfied, and helps you avoid unnecessary snacking. Let's not make excuses about being too busy or unsure where to begin. In this video, I'll guide you on how to increase your protein intake without resorting to extreme measures. We'll cover simple, delicious, and practical tips that anyone can follow. So, get your notepads ready, because we're about to begin. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to enhance your protein intake and improve your overall health. Let's get started. Now I understand what you might be thinking. I have children to care for, deadlines to meet, and barely enough time to manage my day, let alone focus on protein intake. Well, let me tell you something, that's simply not true. There is always time to properly nourish your body, and frankly, I'm not interested in hearing any more excuses. Some of you may be apprehensive about protein, thinking it means consuming dry chicken breasts and bland tofu. Others believe it's some kind of specialized supplement reserved for gym enthusiasts and bodybuilders. Dispel those misconceptions immediately. Protein doesn't have to be monotonous, and it's not just for athletes. It's for everyone, from the busy office worker to the stay-at-home parent. Perhaps you're unsure about where to find protein, or you're stuck in a routine, eating the same uninspiring meals daily. Well, consider this your wake-up call. It's time to eliminate the excuses and get serious about your nutrition. I'm going to address the most common protein challenges and provide you with the tools to overcome them. We'll confront those excuses directly and transform you from protein-deficient individuals into lean, efficient, protein-powered beings. So prepare yourself, because we're about to delve into the world of protein and emerge victorious. No more excuses, understood? Let's get started. Alright everyone, let's put an end to the excuses. It's time to get serious about incorporating more protein into your diet. And no, we're not referring to consuming protein shakes or raw eggs. We'll focus on real food and straightforward strategies that anyone can follow. To begin, start your day with a protein-rich breakfast. Avoid sugary cereals or plain toast. Opt for a breakfast that is both hearty and nutritious. Consider scrambled eggs with smoked salmon, a Greek yogurt bowl with nuts and berries, or a protein-packed smoothie to set you up for success. Next, let's address snacks. Avoid crisps and biscuits. These will only leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. Instead, choose protein-rich snacks like a handful of almonds or a hard-boiled egg. Beef jerky is also a great option. Now let's discuss lunch and dinner. Avoid serving bland salads or flavorless soups. Instead, include protein-rich options like grilled chicken, fish, tofu, or lentils. And don't forget about your side dishes. Opt for protein-rich alternatives like quinoa, black beans, or roasted chickpeas instead of starchy carbs. Here's a tip. Don't hesitate to experiment with different flavors and cuisines. Protein is versatile, so get creative in the kitchen and find what you enjoy. There are countless delicious and protein-packed meals waiting to be discovered. So there you have it. Simple, practical, and delicious ways to boost your protein intake without becoming a gym enthusiast. Now head to the kitchen and start cooking. And please be careful not to burn the food. Today, I am excited to share with you a remarkable source of protein that is both accessible and highly nutritious. This isn't about an expensive supplement or a rare ingredient, but rather a common food that has been overlooked. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into the world of seeds. Yes, you heard correctly. These small yet potent nutritional powerhouses are rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making them an excellent addition to any diet. The versatility of seeds is unparalleled. They can be incorporated into almost any meal. This goes beyond merely adding a few chia seeds to your yogurt. Consider integrating seeds into every meal, from breakfast to dessert. Think about adding hemp seeds to your smoothies, pumpkin seeds to your salads, or sunflower seeds to your trail mix. The true game changer, however, is seed butter. Move over peanut butter and almond butter. Seed butter is the new star. Whether it's pumpkin seed butter, sunflower seed butter, or even watermelon seed butter, the options are limitless. Spread it on toast, blend it into smoothies, or enjoy it straight from the jar. You might be skeptical, thinking, seeds, really? But trust me, seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. They will significantly enhance your protein intake. So consider replacing your protein bars and shakes with the natural power of seeds. Let's summarize what we've covered. We've discussed the significance of protein, dispelled common myths, and provided you with numerous strategies to enhance your protein intake. Now, it's time to integrate this knowledge and create a meal plan that even a professional chef would admire. Remember, the goal is to make small, sustainable changes that fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Begin by incorporating 1 or 2 high-protein meals into your daily routine, and gradually increase from there. Avoid attempting to overhaul your entire diet overnight, as this may lead to frustration and a return to old habits. Most importantly, listen to your body. Everyone's protein requirements are unique, so find what works best for you and make adjustments accordingly. If you feel tired and sluggish, you may need to increase your protein intake. If you feel bloated and uncomfortable, you might be consuming too much. The key is to find a balance that leaves you feeling energized and satisfied, ready to tackle whatever challenges come your way. So go ahead and achieve your protein goals with confidence. You have the potential to succeed. You now possess all the knowledge required to enhance your protein intake effectively. It's time to leave the kitchen and apply what you've learned. No more excuses, no more procrastination. Go forth and demonstrate your newfound expertise. However, before you depart, please share your protein strategies with your peers. What are your preferred high-protein meals and snacks? What tips and techniques have you discovered along the way? Let's build a community focused on protein-rich diets, where we can all learn from and support each other in our quest for optimal health. And remember to subscribe to my channel for more culinary insights and transformative advice. After all, we can all use a bit of extra guidance. Now, please exit before I reconsider and assign you to oven cleaning duty. Attention everyone, you have just received an invaluable lesson in protein from this video. Consider yourselves fortunate, as this level of personalized guidance is a rare opportunity. While I don't expect an overnight transformation, it's important to remember the key points you've learned and make some simple adjustments to your diet. Be mindful of what you consume, eliminate excuses, and elevate your nutritional habits. Strive to become the best, most protein-empowered versions of yourselves. Now go forth and make us proud. Please remind this video is for informational purposes only and isn't intended as medical advice. Always speak with a healthcare professional before making any health decisions.